What's AI without your data? It's like a maestro conducting without an orchestra, or a Formula One car racing without fuel. Generic data produces generic results. For AI to make the biggest impact for your business, it needs your data. And since your data is at the core of our enterprise solutions, that's where our AI lives. And when AI is embedded in your processes and reveals groundbreaking insights from your data to redefine work, we call that Business AI. In industrial manufacturing, Business AI can help you with sales quotes for complex equipment by proposing optimum configurations in a fraction of the time it normally takes with experienced sales engineers. It can increase defect detection rates in visual inspections by up to 90% while reducing inspection costs. It can predictively improve your forecasts and plans by anticipating market shifts and sales trends. It can also identify virtually any customer spare part in any condition from a simple photograph. With SAP Business AI and partner apps fueled from your data, it's like having your own industrial manufacturing AI workforce improving and innovating your business. If you want relevant, reliable, and responsible outcomes like these, then choose SAP solutions with embedded Business AI that's fueled by your data. SAP Business AI for industrial manufacturing. See www.sap.com/AI for more information.